Hi there, in this tutorial I'll show you how to search GeneProf for interesting genes or data. So we can search GeneProf either directly from the homepage using this little search box. We can go to the dedicated search page through the navigation bar. Let's start by searching for the term MYC, M-Y-C, that's a gene. So I just enter the search term there and click the button, and the search results will be listed below. They are sorted by or organized by organism first. So you see here Arabidopsis at the top, but I'm actually not interested in that. I just want human. So I untick all the tick boxes for the different organisms up there, and then just pick human. These are all the results in human. We have genes at the top, and then experiments that are in some way connected to our search term below. 20 results in total. If I add another search term, MYC and cancer, get 110. You might be surprised that it's more than before. That's because by default GeneProf looks for any occurrence of either of the terms, but if we put in the keyword AND in all capitals, GeneProf will search for only those entries that mention both search terms at the same time. Mind the capitalization is important, otherwise if you just use lowercase, AND will be used as another search term. So anyway, with capitals, it has a special meaning, and we only get results that are matching both search terms. This keyword and others are detailed on the page itself. So there are other kind of special syntax tokens that allow you to do very specialized, very complex searches. For example, we can look for entries with a certain cell type, tissue, cell line, or some other sort of annotation. Let's try to expand our previous search for samples, experimental samples from the famous cancer cell line MCF7. Right, indeed there are 4 entries in the GeneProf database that match up this search. We can look at the details of that on a new page. There's a nice summary of the experimental sample and all its annotations. It's a ChIP-seq dataset studying the binding of the transcription factor c-MYC in MCF7 breast cancer cells. We can open linked datasets like target genes for this and other factors that have been studied together in one experiment, or genomic datasets and everything else associated with the sample. If alternatively you just look for the cell in MCF7 alone, you'll notice there's a whole lot of other data in the GeneProf database connected to the cell line, and you can browse all this as it pleases you. Alright, this is really all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.